How to fix the something went wrong error on Google Gemini on Android. This tutorial shows you how to troubleshoot and get Gemini working again on your device. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the quick panel and make sure your internet connection is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. After that, close Gemini completely by swiping it away from your recent apps and reopen it to see if the error clears. From there, long press the Gemini icon from your home screen and tap App Info. Right here, tap on Storage, then go ahead and tap Clear Cache. Next up, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then tap OK to confirm. Moving on, open the Play Store, search for Gemini, and install any available update. From here, if the error is still showing up, go back to App Info, tap on Storage, and this time tap Clear Data. Tap OK to confirm, keeping in mind you may need to sign back in. After that, tap on Permissions and make sure all required permissions are enabled. Finally, if nothing has worked, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Once your device boots back up, open Gemini and check if the issue is resolved. Hope this helped you fix the error. If it did, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next one.